Describe a person who enjoys cooking for others. You should say who this person is, what he/she likes to cook, who he/she cooks for, and explain why she enjoys cooking.
I am going to speak about a wonderful person I know from Punjab. Her name is Jaspreet, and she has a deep love for cooking delicious meals for others. She's like a magician in the kitchen, and her cooking brings joy to everyone she meets. Jaspreet is a warm-hearted Punjabi lady with a perpetual smile on her face. She's known for her culinary talents in our village. She's always seen in her apron, ready to whip up a new dish to delight the taste buds of her family and friends. Jaspreet's specialty is Punjabi cuisine. She can cook everything from buttery naan and rich paneer butter masala to mouth-watering tandoori chicken. Her aloo paratha, stuffed with spiced potatoes, is a favorite of many. But her most cherished creation is the creamy and fragrant dal makhani, which she slow cooks to perfection. Jaspreet's heart overflows with generosity. She cooks for everyone, from her immediate family to neighbors, friends, and even the occasional guests who visit our village. She believes that food brings people together, and her kitchen is always open. Jaspreet's love for cooking is driven by the joy she finds in making others happy. She firmly believes in the saying, "The way to someone's heart is through their stomach." And her cooking is the perfect embodiment of this sentiment. When she sees the contented smiles on the faces of those savoring her dishes, she feels a deep sense of fulfillment. But it's not just about making people happy. Cooking, for Jaspreet, is a way to express her love and care for others. It's a language of love that transcends words. When she stirs a pot of curry or rolls out dough for chapatis, she pours her love into every dish. Her belief in the importance of sharing meals with loved ones goes beyond filling stomachs. It's about creating memories, strengthening bonds, and building a sense of community. When she serves her delectable dishes, it's not just about food, it's a celebration of togetherness. In conclusion, Jaspreet is a true culinary artist, bringing the flavors of Punjab to our hearts. She embodies the spirit of Punjabi hospitality, where food is not just a necessity but a celebration. Her passion for cooking and her love for sharing her creations with others are qualities that make her a cherished person in our community.
Perpetual. Something that is continuous, lasting indefinitely, or seemingly never-ending. It implies a constant or uninterrupted existence. Culinary. Related to the art or practice of cooking and preparing food. It encompasses everything related to the kitchen and food preparation, including techniques, ingredients, and presentation. Whip up. To quickly and skillfully prepare or make something, often referring to cooking a meal or creating something in a short amount of time. The taste buds. The sensory organs on the tongue and inside the mouth that allow humans to perceive the different tastes of sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami. They are responsible for the sense of taste. Generosity. The quality of being kind, open-handed, and willing to give or share with others without expecting something in return. It often refers to a willingness to help and provide assistance to those in need. Savoring. The act of enjoying or appreciating something fully, especially when it comes to tastes or experiences. It involves taking the time to relish and enjoy something to the fullest. Transcends. To go beyond the limits or boundaries of something, often implying that something surpasses or rises above a particular state or condition. Delectable. Extremely pleasing or delightful to the senses, especially in relation to taste. It describes something that is delicious and enjoyable to eat. Embodies. To represent or exemplify a particular quality, trait, or characteristic. It means to be a perfect example or symbol of a concept or idea. Hospitality. The friendly and generous reception and entertainment of guests or strangers, often associated with providing a welcoming and comfortable environment for visitors or customers, such as in hotels, restaurants, or homes.